which piece completes the pattern? This is the shape and we have to find out the pattern to complete this piece. These are our options. Let us look into it and see what we need. So we need here a circular piece, a leaf, and a leaf of this star, and an inside curve. Now let us see which options carries these shapes. Option A does not have the leaf star here, so this is not our answer. Option B has two round faces. This is not our option. Option C does not have a round, so this is not our option. Option D miss out on inside curve shape, so this is not our answer as well. Option E has everything what we need. We need the curve, two leaves, and an inside curved shape. So option E is our answer. Problem 2. As Amira is walking from A town to B town, she passes the 5 signposts shown. One of them is incorrect. Which one it is? So we have to find out the incorrect signpost out of these options. The trick in solving this problem is that the total distance between A town to B town will always remain same, no matter which signpost you are at. This means all correct signposts should show pairs of numbers that sum to the same total. So let us sum the total. So A town is 11 kilometer. So option A is 11 kilometer. Option B is 11 kilometer as well. Option C is 11 kilometer. Option D again 8 plus 3 is 11 kilometer. And option E is 13 kilometer. This means option E is our answer, which is an incorrect distance. Problem 3. A large square is made up of smaller white and gray squares. What does the large square look like if the colors of the white and gray squares are interchanged? So the trick in solving this problem is that we will divide the square into smaller sections and compare each one individually with the options, and eliminate any section that does not meet the criteria. So let us solve this problem now. So looking to this, it should be white, white, gray, and white. Let us see which one matches with this pattern. Option A matches, option B matches, option C matches, and option E matches. So we eliminate option B. Now let us compare with this. So it should be white, gray, gray, and white. Now let us compare. So we need to have a white, gray, gray, white. So we remove this option and we remove in a bigger way. We need white, gray, gray, and white. That works. White, gray, gray, white. That works. White, gray, gray, white. That works. Now let us see. We have white, white, gray, and gray. So we need two whites. That is not working. We eliminate it. Two whites and two grays. It works. And option E does not work. So our answer is option D. Problem 4. Kim has several chains of length 5 and of length 7. So this is a chain of length 5. By joining chains one after the other, Kim can create different lengths. Which of this length is impossible to make? These are our options. So we have to find out which chain is impossible to make. So Kim can connect as many chains as she wants, one after another, to make a longer chain. We will go through each options and see which one is impossible. Option A. Kim can just use two 5-link chains and make it 10. This is possible, so this is not our answer. Option B, Kim can try 5 link and 7 link, which gives us 12. This is possible, can't be our answer. Option C, if Kim has to make a chain, can make 7 plus 7, gives us 14. It's too big, it's not 13, right? You can do 7 plus 5, 12, still not 13. So answer C could be our answer. Let's try option D. So as I said, 7 plus 7 is possible. So this is not answer. So we eliminate it. Option E, we could have 5 plus 5 plus 5 gives us 15. So this is also not our answer. So our answer is option C, 13. Problem 5. When Alice the bat leave her cave, a digital clock shows 2020. After she returns and is hanging upside down, she sees 2020 on the clock again. How long has she been away from her cave? These are our options. So 2020 when flipped, the left would go here and the right would come this side, and it would turn to 0, 2, 0, 2. Now we have to find the time difference from 2020 to 0202. So from 2020 to midnight 00, it will be 3 hours and 40 minutes. From midnight to 0202, it will be 2 hours and 2 minutes. So when we add 3 hours 40 and 2 hours 2 minutes, we will get 5 hours and 42 minutes. Our answer is option E, 5 hours 42 minutes. Problem 6. Cindy colors each region of the pattern either red, blue or yellow. She colors regions that touch each other different colors. She colors the outer region blue. How many regions of the completed pattern are colored blue? This is the pattern and these are our options. So she starts with the color blue. So let us pick the color blue. We'll color blue on the outer rim. Now she says that the colors region that touch each other different colors. So we have different colors that touch on the rim. Now the next color is, let's pick red. So we pick red for here and we color it. Then pick yellow. So since I have 3 colors, I will be using green instead for yellow. Will be green. So this rim would be green colored. Now let us pick blue and color this rim. Red is here, blue is here, so it should be green then. So we touch color green here. Now here we will fill in with red color, that's the uncommon. Next we will come with blue, that is a different color. And in center we would color green. Now let us count how many blues we have. So we have 1 blue, 2 blue and 3 blue. So our answer is option B, 3. Problem 7. Maria had 10 sheets of paper. She cut some of the sheets into 5 parts each. After that, Maria has 22 pieces in total. How many sheets did she cut? These are our options. So let us go step by step into this problem and pick one sheet, cut it into 5 pieces and see how many in total sheets we have. And in end, we should reach to 22 pieces and that will give our answer how many sheets did she cut. Let's have a clean slate here. So Maria has 10 sheets. Let us pick one sheet and cut it into 5 pieces. So how many sheets in total she has now? 14 sheets. And here she has first cut. 14 sheet is not enough. She has to cut more. So she takes 1 from here, that is 8 plus 1, and then cut it in 5 pieces. So that would carry 5 here and 5 because we already have 5 sheets, and remaining sheets are 8. In total, how many sheets she has now? 18 sheets. And this is the second cut. This is not sufficient. So she has to again take 1 more from here. So 7 plus 1. And we already have 5 plus 5. And she takes 5 out of it. 5 plus 5 and 7 plus gives us 22 sheets. So this is the third cut. So how many cuts in total she has? Our answer is option A, 3. Let's move on to the next problem. Problem 8. A dog and a cat walk in the park along the path marked by the thick black line. The dog starts from P at the same time as the cat starts from Q. The dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. At which point are they going to meet? This is the pathway showing with the thick line. The cat and the dog starts at the same time. We have to find at what point they are going to meet, and these are our options. So let us walk dog and cat together and see where they will meet. So the main point here is that the dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. So if the dog walks 3 points here and come here, cat would have done this much. Now the dog will walk another 3, 1, 2, and 3 and reach to this point. Cat would have done reached here. Dog again walked 3 points and reach this point. Cat would have walked this much. I'm changing color just for you to understand that the path dog has walked. Now dog again has walked 3 squares and reached this point. Cat would have done till here. Now dog has walked 3 more and reach here, and cat would have walked this and reached to point E. So our answer is option E. At E they will meet. Problem 9. Giorgio has 2 identical pieces of wire of shape this shape. Which of the following shapes cannot be obtained putting together these 2 pieces? Let's look into each option and see which one is the correct answer, which cannot be obtained using this wire of shape. So we have this wire shape can be made into here, and this wire shape can be produced here. So this is possible. So this is not our answer. We can form a shape using here, and we can have another wire shape like this. So this is possible. Again, option B is not our answer. Let's look option C. So we can make a wire shape here, and we can make a wire shape here like this. So this is again possible. So option C is not our answer. Let's look into option D. So we can have a wire shape like this. We can have a wire shape like this. It seems like this is also possible. So option D is not our answer. Let us try option E. So we have this. We can form a shape here, and we cannot form another similar shape. So it could be either this way, which is not like this. So option E is our answer. So this is the only shape that cannot be obtained putting together two pieces. Problem 10. Mika's want to bake 24 muffins for his birthday party. To bake 6 muffins, 2 eggs are needed. Eggs are sold in boxes of 6. How many boxes does Mika need to buy? These are our options. So let us calculate how many boxes does Mika needs to buy. So from question we know that to bake 6 muffins, 2 eggs are needed. So 6 muffins needs 2 eggs. 12 muffins need 4 eggs. 18 muffins needs 6 eggs. And 24 muffins needs 8 eggs. Now how are eggs sold? Eggs are sold in boxes of 6. So this is a one box of egg with the 6 eggs in it, and there is another box with 6 eggs. So Mika will use 6 eggs from here and 2 eggs from here to make it an 8 eggs. So Mika needs 2 boxes of eggs. So our answer is option B, 2. With this, we wrap up part A of 2020 Math Kangaroo challenge for grade 5 and 6. If you enjoyed the challenge and learned something new, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun, tricky and exciting math adventures. See you in part B. Bye.